Hey everyone, so I've got my security system here. Now this was sent to me by the seller so I could go ahead and show you everything that comes with. We're going to go over the features of this, and then I'm also going to show you the app that you can use with this, just to go ahead and that way you can see all your recordings. So it does come with 4 cameras, 4 solar panels if you want to use them. You don't have to use them, but that just means that you're going to have to recharge these every so often for the camera to run. Of course, we've got plenty of cables, all the cables that you need to, and we've also got a mount. We've got a mount, one for the camera, and a mount, which is the same mount for the solar panel. And then we also have, if you want to hook up the software to a computer, it does come with a mouse. And this is our base unit. So this base unit, I just connected this to my Wi-Fi system. On the back side, we've got Ethernet, HDMI, and a USB-A. I just use the Ethernet, and that worked really great. This does come with a memory card for the base unit. It's 32 gigabytes. Each of these do not come with a memory card. So if you want to go ahead and record the recordings, the videos, you're going to either need to sign up for the cloud service or install a memory card in each one of these. The app was real easy to download onto my tablet. You have different ways you can look at all your videos. We've got device or multi-view, which I have here. If you have more cameras, now this system does support up to 10 cameras. If I have more cameras, it's going to show all those. Then it's going to record all the events. This is just some quick video. You see that the cars moving in the background here. The picture's really nice and clear. Now this is another camera in my backyard. What it did, it just took a snapshot since I don't have cloud service or an SD card in it. And the camera, one thing it does have, which I like, it's got a light right here. So it does have a strobe light. It also has a spotlight. We've got a speaker back here, so you can have two-way talk, two-way conversations. And it also has a siren. Now this does have AI powered recognition, so it recognizes a person, a car, a pet, so it's pretty cool. Real easy to use, and I hope you found this review helpful.